Okay, yes. We are going through some pairs. Going through what the market has been doing for this last 2 or 3 days, and the market has more or less just been hunt doing hunting stop losses, stop hunts, and has more or less just been screwing around, taking out liquidity on both ends. So that's basically where we are at. So I've been looking back, and realizing I've been saying some that dollar can do this and dollar can do that, and that is completely normal because I am reacting to what I'm seeing. So if the pairs are doing something that I didn't expect, I will with a high probability also change the view on this certain asset, right? So if dollar is doing something that I didn't see coming, I can shift from being bullish to bearish, or vice versa, right? So remember, guys, this is not some financial advice for anyone out there. This is just my view on the pairs and what I'm looking at, right? So dollar has taken out its weekly high, right? And so this was our previous weekly high. And we have since then we reached the top of this H4 fair value gap. We made some kind of market structure shift, but this was also something that I was commentating on. I think it was the weekly analysis where I said that, okay, we have broken through this weekly fair value gap, which is this orange area, and this area is our this void, or whatever you want to call it. So we have been tapping into that and been having some kind of huge reaction, right? Bullish reaction. So price, I've been saying that since price broke through this weekly fair value gap, which is this orange one, price is probably heading up towards this monthly fair value gap, and that's what most of us is thinking. That's what I'm thinking, at least, that we broke through this weekly fair value gap. If it was supposed to be bearish at this moment, we should have been respecting this weekly fair value gap, but instead we are using it as some kind of support now, right? And it came into that daily imbalance, daily void, whatever you want to call it, very beautiful on the pip, and got a reaction from that. Okay, so it should probably from now on head up to this monthly fair value gap. We should also be able to get some kind of reaction, right? From this H1 fair value gap. We also have this bearish order block. but that is not important. Okay, so yeah, so let's see if we can head back down. Yeah, we can see that the pairs, when we start to look into so I thought that we were having a bearish weekly profile when the Tuesday high took out the high of the Monday, and we were potentially forming our high of the week, which is also why I anticipated a bearish week. So what I mean is, once Tuesday took out the high of the Monday and got this huge sell-off, I was selling from around this area. But what did price do? It broke up, and then from there we were just heading down violently. So when we also have this and here I'm also saying that that this low should be protected because this is a weekly profile. We made our low of the week this Tuesday, and we should be able to get up from here. But yeah, we can see that price has just been screwing around. So there is not a bullish. I'm very not confused, but because price is, as I said in the beginning, price is at a stop hunt kind of mood, just grab a liquidity. We are more or less just going sideways. We have AUD, which for me is looking very. I did enter some longs from this area. So yeah, price should be able to. Nah, this is very ugly, honestly. This price action is very ugly. Nah, this price action is very ugly. Price should be respecting. Yeah. So yeah, I'm in a long position at this moment. No, not GU. I'm in a long position at AU and let's see what it does, because hello. So yeah, AUD, I'm at a long from this area, and I was 3 to 5 at the most, and now we are doing some kind of retracement. The thing is, honestly, that these lows can be taken out, and I think that this low should be protected because we are still at a discount. And yeah, I'm holding my long positions more or less, that's what I'm saying. Euro, yeah. Yeah. There's no correlation. How is, we can see the euro is bearish, the GU is just going sideways. AU making some higher highs and higher lows at this moment, but also going sideways. Yeah. USD CAD, I'm not going to look at it. I don't have time for that. So AUD, we're taking out that low. Let's see. The thing is, this is the low and this is the high. All this is just internal liquidity, internal noise. And as I said, AUD is just fooling around, just playing around. It's just playing around, honestly. So we can see that yeah, I want to take this long position. Yeah, you can see that price is just fooling around, just playing around. Take out session low, New York session low, yeah. At this moment, price can do whatever. I'm not quite sure what price wants to do, honestly. Because there is no correlation between these pairs, honestly. Euro looks bearish, but this low should be protected. Thursday, yeah. Time before price, so that's what I believe in. I believe that this low should be protected and we should head up, but I don't like the fact that we created a new minor structure, minor bearish structure. In this range. So we have this bullish range, and in this bullish range we have a, what I say is a lower time frame range, right? Bearish QM. So price should get up to this area once again. And then from there, I think there's a high chance that I will see. We'll see. Honestly, I need AU to blow up the top. That's what I need. So let's see. This high is our. We need to see some kind of. Yeah, at this moment it looks bearish. I think we want to take out this equal lows before doing anything on AUD. Equal lows, I mean. Yeah. So I would probably, if I was short term, just to wait for price to get up to here to then target this equal lows, and then wait for price to do whatever. Because price at this moment is just fooling around. And the same here. Euro, when seeing this, it's just a sign that we want to continue to go down. So that is what I would do. If I'm seeing something bearishness, then yeah. If I'm seeing some bearish patterns and bearish signs that okay, then we're heading up. Now we're ready to head down, then just to look for shorts. But I think it's for tomorrow. This is one of the nicer trades, honestly. H1 in fair value gap, Asian range. So yeah, let's see if price wants to head up to this, but we should now just push. This is why like you don't trade the first month of the year, because price market makers, they have their seasonal tendencies where they do whatever, right? So if price wants to do what they want to do, it would do it, right? So if price wants to just run after liquidity, it would do it. And it's just in specific seasons, right? Like Q1, you see price do whatever it wants to do. Okay. So that is me for tonight. I will update you with another live session or whatever you want to call this. I will update you. So yeah.